stacking objects something that people find captivating, and to see how high you can stack things you can find around the house. And so in this video, I will be seeing how high you can stack using household objects, starting big and working our way towards the top. The average height of a table is 76 centimeters. If we assume that we have 6 tables, we could stack up to 4.5 meters high. That's already about the height of an elephant. But then there are chairs. If we have 5 chairs per table and stack them by turning the next one over and putting it on top, stacking them all perfectly, it would add an additional 11.5 meters, bringing a total height up to 5.33 elephants or over 2 giraffes. Adding the couch would add an extra 0.3 meters, bringing the total up to 16.3 meters. I'm allowing use of tape here to increase stability of otherwise unstable structures. Boxes are the next big step. 30 centimeters tall, boxes can be stacked pretty efficiently. With 2 per layer and 6 boxes, we could get a decent 0.9 meters out of this. Which brings us to, of course, books! Stacking with the same method, with the adult average of 200 books, that would give us another 31.75 meters of height, bringing the total all the way up to 49 meters, taller than 2 blue whales. Adding 2 bookshelves brings us up to 53 meters, about the height of a 12-story window. The next thing we might add are building sets, like Keva Planks. The optimal stacking method for height is really unstable, but I'm allowing tape, so it's easily solved. If we have 200 planks, and each level adds 12.5 centimeters, and take 6 blocks per level, we get an additional 4.16 meters. We are now around 9.4 giraffes in height.
For Knex, using an optimal stacking method, you use 64 pieces per meter. Using a suboptimal but more stable method, you use 75 pieces per meter.
If we go for the less optimal, this would add an additional 7.81 meters. Next up, Lego. If we assume 500 bricks stacked one on top of another, we could get an additional 4.5 meters. However, if we want stability, we would most likely go for something closer to 4.3 meters. The final layer is going to be cards. Now, normally when we think of House of Cards, we think unstable, but we can use adhesive, and plus this method of stacking is horribly inefficient. Luckily, I have a better method. Lean 2 cards against each other at an angle, and add a card on top. Continue the pattern until you run out of cards. This method can get an additional 4.6 meters, bringing us all the way up to a grand total of 69.85 meters total.
But this is the theoretical maximum. Check out my video for a more realistic stacking method.